Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial on how to use my website so you can book your travels and save money. So first I will be sending you an email. The email will compose of the website and also a code. So let's take this as an example. I send this to Mark Lazar. So you'll have your name and then redeem this code and also the website. So this is the website www.iBuumerang.com. So you press that. Once you press that, it will go to this landing page. So it will ask for your code. Since this is Mark's code, I have generated a new code just for this tutorial. And then it will ask you to write your name. So let's put my name, Kuda. I'll be using a different email address since I already have used my primary email address, and your phone number. And then click this button and it should take you, this thing will pop up and it will give you your password. So just copy paste that and start saving. You can change your password later once you log into your account. So once it's loading, let's wait. I don't know why it's taking so long. Let's do it again. There we go. So now it asks you for your email and your password. So the email that I have used is this one. Then copy paste the password, which is that. So you sign in. Okay, once you sign in, it says welcome and start saving. Okay, and then this is terms and condition. Who reads that? So basically, you just press I agree and press continue. Okay, so after that, you wanted to change your password so you don't forget about it. Or if you have your phone or iPhone set up to save your password, that's great. It should be on manage, and then my profile should have the password over here. So it says here password, change password. So the old password, copy paste the password that you copied a while ago and just use any other password that you will always remember. Just so you know, you can always change the password later on, and if you forgot about it, there's always a forget password. So now it's been changed, and from here you can also manage the travelers. Let's say if you have a big family, such as your son, your daughter, anyone in your family, you wanted to add a traveler here. It'll ask you for their details. You can fill this up and then save it. So this will help you save time later on. So when you book your flight, it will then be saved and you will just click the name of the traveler. I am not sure on how many people we can save. I have not tried it, but I have put 2 people so far on my other account. I will get back to you on how many people we can put. So let's go back to the home page. So basically, this is your home page. It will tell you you can book hotels, cruises, cars, flights. Weeks is you can book like a whole week of trip, and lifestyle. These are activities such as if you go to Hawaii, if you wanted to purchase like a jet ski package, or like a parasailing package, or scuba diving. So everything is there. We also have restaurant savings, wine club, and worldwide tours. So basically, you press hotel if you're looking for a hotel reservation. Like any other reservation or like any other websites, this will ask for your destination, your check-in date and check-out time or date, and then it will ask you how many rooms and how many adults and kids that are going in to your travel. So for example, we are going to Vegas soon. So let's put Las Vegas, and our dates is September 20 to the 22nd. Let's just do this 1 room and 2 adults for now. Let's do search. Okay, while it's searching, let's go to kayak.com and also input the same information. So it's Las Vegas on the 20th to the 22nd. So we press search, and let's also do that on booking.com. It's also Las Vegas, Friday, September 20th to 22nd, 2 adults and 1 room. So let's press search. While we're searching, okay, so let's use this first example. So this is an example from Westgate Flamingo Bay Resort. So it says here $169 averaging per night. Let's try and check here and kayak. And in kayak.com, kayak came up. That's the first thing that came up too. $229 per night. And let's try on booking.com, and that is $458 per night. So basically you are saving tons of money. So you can also select a room. Oops. Okay, let's do that again. I don't know why it expired. So let's press search. So with this, it's $229 per night, and these are all other website, as you know. So it's basically 200 something. So with my website, you'll be able to save $60, and that is a lot. And through booking.com, it will be $289 in savings per night. So let's do select a room. Okay, so you just basically select that room. Okay, so now it tells you all the rooms that are available. They have a suite, 1-bedroom villa, a villa, 1-bedroom deluxe villa. So basically it changes to how much per room. So this is $120 per night, and this is $170 per night. This is $183 per night, $253 per night. And so the top portion is the total with taxes. So that's still a lot of savings compared to other websites. Sometimes we can be more expensive than the other, but if it's only $2, $5, $10 more, if you want, you can, use my website so I can make money out of it. So that's that. So basically, let's say you press this, you press book, and while we're pressing booking, so if you have set up another person in your profile, you can add another traveler, or if you already set it up, that traveler will come up here. If you want to select a trip insurance and it says here highly recommended, you can, but I don't normally travel insurance, but if you do, please feel free to select the travel insurance. So for this, the insurance will be $8.78 per night. That comes up to a total of $17.56 per night. And then you just add a credit card. All major credit cards: Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, JCB, and Diners. Since this website is all around the world, any other and all credit cards are accepted. So once you put your card, you'll be able to save it, and then you share your itinerary. You can put your email here or another email, another person's email, and you press I agree and place your reservation. If for some reason once you press reservation and for some reason you found a cheaper place or a cheaper hotel, the same hotel but cheaper price from another website, we have a price match guarantee. So you press here on the top, price guarantee, and you can submit your claim. So your traveler, so that would be your name, and so you have to book your reservation first, and once you have it booked, it will come out here, and you just type your competitor website. Let's say www.frontier.com, or you can basically copy paste. It's actually with an N. You can copy paste here the website. So it's much so they will be able to copy or find the right price that you saw online. So paste here, and if you see it was 267, it was 267. So 267, you'll be able to save about $20 something from the booking. So you press submit and make sure, like, to read terms and condition. So it says here, eligible claims must be submitted within 24 hours from the time the original fully paid reservation is made and meet all terms and conditions defined below. So yeah. So once verification is complete, we will confirm your claim of the pricing difference by email within 3 to 5 business days of receiving your submission. If the claim is found to be valid, we'll credit 110% of the difference to your membership. Great. So then now you will have a credit that you'll be able to use for your next travel. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be going to help you. You can call me, text me, or if you live in Chicago area where I live, I can come by and teach you on how to use the website, or you can just keep asking me and I'll be able to help you online. Text or call will be faster, and hopefully you'll be able to use my website and help me make money, and I'll be able to help you save money. Thank you so much for listening and for taking the time and watching my video. Thank you. I hope to see you guys in Vegas soon. Bye-bye.